What'd you guys do at school today? Did you play outside at all? Yeah? Did you play on the slide?
We were out there.
You were outside? What did you do out there? And did you run around the block?
No.
Did you run around the playground? Yeah. Did you jump and do tricks? Yeah. Cool. Asani, did you play outside? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, did you dance?
I was outside and I was riding my back.
Oh, you almost spilled your strawberries. You were super fast, like supercharged? Wow. I like to be supercharged. Cool. Are those good? Oh, whoa, you almost missed your mouth. That was cool. You caught it. Strawberries are like the coolest food. Ew, don't do that. That's gross. Strawberries are like the coolest food in the world, aren't they? They're my favorite. Ew. Can you chew with your lips closed, please? I'm going to take your strawberry. Oh, that's better. Kind of look like a silly fish. I guess silly fish is better than gross, right? Close your lips. Ew! You're gross. You can do goofy faces, just not with food in your mouth. Ew! Ew! Weirdo. Silly. Do you feel better? That's a silly, silly look right there.